Hi folks, it's Chef Kevin. What I'm making tonight is gourmet chicken salad. There are a lot of chicken salad recipes out there. People are getting very creative. They're putting in peanuts, cashews, cranberries, curry, grapes, the kitchen sink. Well, not the kitchen sink, but you know where I'm going. So this is my version of chicken salad because these are the things that I enjoy. To begin with, I'm using diced white chicken meat. No dark meat in that. The dark meat has a lot of fat to it, and then when you combine it with the mayonnaise, it can almost be overwhelming. That's one thing I don't like about commercial chicken salad, is that they just seem to put way too much mayonnaise in that, and it just becomes so rich. It's almost uneatable. Another thing I don't like a lot about the commercial chicken salads is the fact that they grind them up, so it almost becomes like a paste. So I'm leaving mine chunky, because the chicken is the star of the dish. I want it to shine through. I'm going to be adding celery, which is in just about any chicken salad. I'm going to add some pickle. This is a dill pickle. It's going to add a nice acidy taste to it. I also have a chopped onion here. All these are chopped fine, not large. And I also have parsley. Parsley is going to give it a nice earthy taste. So I am going to use mayonnaise, but not that much. It's going to be half mayonnaise and half Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt. And the reason I'm doing that again is just to cut down on the fat. I don't want all that fat. I don't want all that richness. The fat in here, 1 tablespoon is 15%. We all know what a tablespoon looks like, right? So you would need several tablespoons just to make one chicken salad. So in essence, that one chicken salad would be pretty close to 100% of your fat intake for the day. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, folks, here we go. My diced, chunky, white meat chicken. Couple of tablespoons mayo, equal amount of non-fat yogurt. Celery in. Pickles in. This will be enough for 2 good-sized sandwiches. Onion in. Parsley in. I'm going to fold it in. You'll notice that it's not swimming in mayo. Little salt. Okay, this is going to make a nice little sandwich. I'll show you what it looks like.
Ken, very clear to me sitting out there today that every decision I've ever made in my entire life has been wrong. My life is the complete opposite of everything I want it to be. Every instinct I have in every aspect of life, be it something to wear, something to eat, it's all been wrong. Everyone.
Tuna on toast, coleslaw, cup of coffee.
Yeah. No, wait a minute. I always have tuna on toast. Nothing's ever worked out for me with tuna on toast. I want the complete opposite of tuna on toast. Chicken salad on rye, untoasted, with a side of potato salad and a cup of tea.
Well, there's no telling what can happen from this.
You know, chicken salad's not the opposite of tuna. Salmon's the opposite of tuna, because salmon swim against the current, and the tuna swim with it.
Okay, folks, gourmet chicken salad served on a seeded harrow, garnished with tomatoes, and served with French fries. Thanks for watching.